Universal Reads Kids Channel.
Vehicles we see on roads, water, and in the sky. Ready? Let's go. This is a car. This is a car. Families use it to travel comfortably from one place to another. This is a bus. This is a bus. It is a large vehicle that carries many people to school, work, and other places. This is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. It has 2 wheels, and you ride it by pedaling. This is a scooter. This is a scooter. It has 2 wheels and moves when you push with 1 foot. This is a motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. It's a fast 2-wheeler that people ride with a helmet. This is a taxi. This is a taxi. It takes people to the places they want to go. This is a police car. This is a police car. It helps police officers reach quickly when someone needs help. This is an ambulance. This is an ambulance. It takes sick or injured people to the hospital fast. This is a fire truck. Firefighters use it to put out fires and save lives. This is a skateboard. This is a skateboard. It has 4 wheels, and you ride it by balancing and pushing with your foot. These are roller skates. These are roller skates. They help you glide smoothly on the ground. This is a race car. This is a race car. It is very fast and used in racing competitions. This is a Jeep. This is a Jeep. It is strong and can travel on bumpy roads easily. This is a train. This is a train. It runs on tracks and carries many passengers or goods. This is an airplane. This is an airplane. It flies high in the sky and takes people long distances. This is a helicopter. This is a helicopter. It flies using spinning blades and can land in small spaces. This is a subway. This is a subway. It is an underground train used in busy cities. This is a van. This is a van. It carries people or goods and is bigger than a car. This is a pickup truck. This is a pickup truck. It has an open back to carry heavy loads. This is a garbage truck. This is a garbage truck. It collects trash to keep our surroundings clean. This is a tractor. This is a tractor. Farmers use it to work in the fields. This is a bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. It pushes soil and rocks during construction. This is a dump truck. This is a dump truck. It carries sand, soil, and stones to construction places. This is a cement mixer. This is a cement mixer. It mixes cement for building houses and roads. This is a delivery truck. This is a delivery truck. It brings goods and parcels to homes and shops. This is a monster truck. This is a monster truck. It has huge wheels and crushes obstacles during shows. And this is a boat. This is a boat. It moves on water like lakes and rivers. This is a sailboat. This is a sailboat. It moves with the help of wind blowing into its sail. This is a ferry. This is a ferry. It carries people, cars, and even trucks across water. This is a ship. This is a ship. It is a large boat that travels across oceans. This is a yacht. This is a yacht. It's a fancy boat used for relaxing trips. This is a jet ski. This is a jet ski. People ride it fast on lakes or the sea. This is a canoe. This is a canoe. It moves when you paddle using an oar. This is a hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. It floats high using warm air and gives a beautiful view. This is a horse carriage. This is a horse carriage. It is a cart pulled by a horse for rides. This is a snowmobile. This is a snowmobile. It helps people travel on snow. This is a cable car. This is a cable car. It moves on a wire high above the ground. This is a parachute. This is a parachute. It helps people float safely down from the sky. This is a rocket. This is a rocket. It blasts into space carrying astronauts and satellites. This is a space shuttle. This is a space shuttle. It travels to space and returns safely to Earth. This is a rickshaw. This is a rickshaw. It is a small three-wheeled vehicle used for short city rides. This is a glider. This is a glider. It flies smoothly in the air without an engine. This is a sledge. This is a sledge. It slides on snow for fun or transport. This is a snowplow. This is a snowplow. It clears snow from roads to make them safe. This is a crane. This is a crane. It lifts very heavy things at building sites. This is a tanker. This is a tanker. It carries liquids like water or fuel. This is a forklift. This is a forklift. It lifts and moves heavy boxes in warehouses. This is a golf cart. This is a golf cart. It is a small vehicle used to move people short distances. This is an auto rickshaw. This is an auto rickshaw. It's a small three-wheeled vehicle used for short trips in the city. This is a minibus. This is a minibus. It's smaller than a bus, but bigger than a van. It carries a small group of people for school, office.
Like, subscribe.